Alright, guys. It took me a long time to get this, but I finally got it. The long time wasn't due to me, but Maryland's 7-day wait period actually took me over 50 days to get this. This is the Glock 23 Gen 4. I gotta go Gen 4 because I'm a left handed shooter, so as you can see, I've already moved the mag release over. Triggers to the back, so you know the firearm's been cleared. Like I said, Maryland has a 7-day wait period. This actually took me more than 50 days to actually get my hands on. I got a real decent price. I actually got it for MSRP, and in the state of Maryland, if you get anything for MSRP, that's a deal. So I've always wanted this as a carry piece, even though I can't carry. I did do one upgrade to it as well. Since I'm left-handed, I kind of do need the extended slide release right here, simply because I use the swipe motion with my trigger finger just to drop the slide or lock it back. So the extended one actually helps me out a lot. Um, Plans for it. Um, Actually, while I was waiting for this, I had this sitting around for like 5 weeks before I actually picked up the firearm. I also got, as you know, the Gen 4 comes with three mags. I got another three, and I got another three 15 round 19 Glock 19 15 round 9mm mags because I do plan to also get the Lone Wolf barrel conversion, which I have for my other Glock. I love that thing, but that thing is on back order to who knows when. So, like I said, with everything else, I'm not going to invest money into parts right now, since I have the assault weapons ban coming down in October. It's all about the hardware right now. I'm trying to get as many firearms as I can. So then I can take the next couple of years off building them up. So yeah, that's it. I got all the mags I could possibly want for this, and everything else is just gonna have to wait. I mean, I gotta get the hardware first. So there she is, Glock 23 Gen 4. Damn, she's pretty. Oh, I also want to get the Nate Square tactical holster, even though I can't carry. That's a holster that I've always been fond of. But once again, all that stuff is coming after October. So let me know what you guys think, bro. All right.